Hey, how's it going? It's Jasper from Nomo Codes here. And in today's Softr tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can set up your custom submit forms with hidden fields to automatically pass logged-in users' email address and also their user ID along with their submission. On Softr, we can use a custom form to enable your users to add new data records to your database. And whenever a new data record is created in the database, it is very important to have fields like these to help us identify who created these data records in your database. For example, this is a demo, just a sample school project matchmaking platform where students can list their project ideas on the platform and find teammates to do those projects together. And for us to track whom each project's creator is, we need to ask the students to submit their email address along with their project details all the time. Otherwise, we can't really identify who the creator is. However, this manual approach is not very robust because users could make a typo when they're inputting their email address or deliberately input a wrong email address. And if that user happens to submit something very inappropriate like that, you can't find and block that user. Therefore, the most optimal way to track creators of each data records is to automatically pass those logged in users information, their account email, under the hood without even asking the user to input them manually on your form. We can achieve such functionality using hidden fields in your custom form, along with the following codes, which are in the description down below. One is for users' account email, and one is for users' unique record ID, which is usually not even exposed to the user, so users technically don't know about these. But with this unique ID, you can always track exactly which user submitted that record. Don't panic when you see the codes here. You don't really need to understand how the code works. The setup is really simple. All you have to do is make that email field a hidden field and add another field, make it hidden, and then paste that code that I provided in the description in the input fields. So it's really a copy and paste process. You don't really need to understand how the code works. It just works. This way, when your users are submitting their forms, they don't actually need to enter any information manually, because hidden fields by definition means that they won't appear on your custom form, but the value that you assigned will actually be passed to your database. So if with hidden fields implemented, now when they press the button to submit their new record, in this case is to list their project, their account email and also their unique user ID will automatically be passed to the respective fields in the database. This way, we remove any room for typo errors or removing any chance that user might exploit your system and cheat the system and submit something very inappropriate. And yeah, there you have it. This is how you can use hidden fields in your custom form to automatically pass your logged in users information to your database. So you can always track exactly who created the data record in your database. And if you need any more help with Softr, feel free to contact me. I do offer free consultation. So if you need any no-code development help, feel free to contact me with the email address down below. And until next time, ciao.